If you need to reset your password on Robinhood, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a password reset email or SMS from Robinhood. Follow the link provided in the message to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset page, enter a new password that meets the security requirements. Confirm the new password and submit your changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Robinhood account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for further assistance.